think so many people, I mean, I'm just going to be honest and just be real. So many people online and influencers and whatever, they sell this pipe dream that you're going to like figure out there's some system that's going to get you 50,000 followers tomorrow or like in
Not
3
unless
months.
they're fake.
It happens for some people. It really does. Like,
Yeah.
I was watching the fastest girl in the world, right? That she just ran the Olympics. Like literally, like she went from 750,000 followers. I love watching these numbers. I don't know why. It just intrigues me. To like over 1 million in a night because that happened. She went viral. That's
right.
like a valid. You
That
could go
does
viral.
happen.
It happens.
It's not the majority.
It's a very small percentage,
Yeah.
like 2% or something like that, of people in the world go viral. You might actually, like I've seen people that have gone from 5,000 to 50,000. They really found their niche and they hit it hard and people engaged with it quick and it was crazy.
That's true.
But like, that's just not the majority.
Right.
And so I just want to like say, like, if you aren't growing super fast, whatever that looks like to you, first of all, like, what does that mean? You know, like helps too, right? Like we don't have a huge social media following right now. The goal is to one day get there. We have neglected our own marketing for so long.
That's true.
Because we have been so busy doing everyone else's.
Doing clients.
But
yeah.
are we making money? Absolutely. Are we making good money? Yeah. Like, and it has like you being successful at what you're doing, and I think people need to hear this, is not directly correlated to people following you online.
That's true.
And let's just say someone following you, like a big population of people following you online, is not directly correlated to you being successful.
And making money. Even.
A lot of people have followers and they're not making any money. A lot of people have followers and they're still struggling to pay their rent. And so
Right.
I just want to bring up that correlation, like what is important to you. And I know clout is really important to people nowadays. I get it. I
Yeah.
deal with it, you know?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, though, we're making money. And so, I mean, it's not like affecting my rent. My clout is not affecting my rent. And so for some people, their industry is only clout. And so like you have to be a model like on Instagram or whatever until you make it big. Like until Vogue is paying you, like you have to figure out some way to get there. And it might be only social media clout. And so I just encourage people. Sometimes it just takes time.
Yeah.
Like for my YouTube as a musician, you saw me. No big advertising budget. We were like, we're going to test this out organically. I've been on YouTube for like 10 years, but I haven't been consistent with it. And so we got consistent, 2.5 years ago?
Yeah.
2.5 years ago, right? And you started filming videos with me before we found Andre.
Actually, 3 years ago. Like
3 years ago.
Yeah.
In
as
the
of this
summer.
month.
Oh, yeah, you're not kidding. Okay, 3 years.
Yeah, that's when we filmed Waymaker was 3 months ago.
Oh my
or
gosh.
3 years ago.
Yeah, we literally, we got to tell that story. But like,
Yeah.
legitimately, I told her, I said, Amber, we're going to film one video a week consistently for a year. And then the next year we signed up, and the next year we signed up. And now it just feels like, I mean, you're not filming them anymore. Andre is helping me with them. But like now it feels like it's just a part of who we are. Like,
Right.
and at first it was really hard.
Yeah.
We were like,
keep
this
up with
is
it.
really tough to
Yeah.
do. Like to legitimately like not miss a week. I think we missed it like 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks out of like 3 years.
Yeah.
Like, right now I'm not posting because I just decided to take a break and go write an album. Like, totally different world. You know, it's what you can do as a creative. But like, yeah. And to be honest, when we first started posting those videos, how many likes were we getting on the music channel?
Not a lot.
Like 20 or like 20 views, not even likes, 20 views. And what's crazy is I had videos that had 10,000 views already and stuff like that.
Right.
Like, it's pretty substantial, not like tremendous, didn't go viral, but like,
Sure.
yeah. And I think people expect to, and then the next year I was up to maybe getting like 50. And to be honest, if we're being honest right now, like if I don't promote a video, we haven't like really put a lot of cash money behind it. And I'm not like doing covers that are super popular. So like, I'm just posting my own content really.
Yeah.
You know, if I post a video right now, I might get like 200, 300 views organically. Yeah. And then I'll promote it and then more people find the channel and subscribe and it's amazing and whatever. But a lot of these people that you see have a ton of views are putting ad dollars behind their stuff. And so I just want to say it's not fair to compare yourself or your business or your craft to somebody else you see online because you don't know what they're doing. And so I've had a lot of people say, oh, well, you get so many views. Like, oh my gosh, I suck and you're amazing. Like, basically, that's the essence of the conversation.
Sure.
And I'm like, but I don't have a huge ad budget for my music, but like, I'm putting hundreds of dollars behind this, like a couple $100, you know, and so behind this one video. So yeah, for sure, it has 40,000 views. Like, some of them have 40,000 views on their own, but like,
Right.
I just want to say, you just don't know. So, like, don't compare yourself. That's all I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
It could be a long road. I
Yeah.
know people that it took them 5 years to, like, finally get an audience that they felt was of good size for them. And 500 videos. Like, Yeah, I'm on like video 250, but like some people have 500 videos and did it for every week for 5 years. Yeah. And that's when they made it big. I just want to, encourage some of us out here who are a little like weak and weary because it can be hard. And so just got to keep pushing. You got to remind yourself of the why. Yeah. So
yeah, definitely.
I lay down my mic. And
Yeah. No, I mean, even if you're consistent, it doesn't always happen overnight. In fact, it most often doesn't. And so when you sign up for this, even if, we were taking you on as a client, that's something that we would talk to you about is like, don't expect it to blow up overnight. We're not buying you followers. That's like fake. Well,
and it could bring you opportunities, but I just also want to say as a musician, I never lacked opportunities because I didn't have a huge following.
Yeah.
Like I toured like through the nation. I've been to every state except for 2 doing music. Like I've done huge shows. I got to open for Snoop Dogg. Yeah. I've done small shows where there's 2 people at the coffee shop. Like I've been flown out to the Caribbean to do music. Yeah. I've gotten to do music in Africa. Like it doesn't say just because you're not famous on the internet doesn't mean that you won't end up doing great things.
No, it's true.
Yeah, I just want to say that. I want to lay it there. Even though being famous on the internet helps you to do great things, it's not the only way to do great things.
No, it's true. For sure.
Sorry, I'm passionate about that. Yeah.
Yeah. No, so it's good because people need to know. Yeah, like you will find different opportunities through different things, not always through your social media. Yeah. Sometimes it just takes in-person, not marketing, what's it called?
Guerrilla marketing and networking.
Yeah, networking. And sometimes it just takes talking to people and getting to know people in your industry.
Yeah,
and like true. If you've got, all this clout on social media, but you don't know how to talk to people, like...
Or like you never, meet the people that run a festival. Like if you're a musician, right? Like I would meet the people that ran festivals and end up on the bill, Yeah. South by Southwest, different things like that. I met the promoter and they're like, yo, we really like you. You're just like really cool. Yeah. Like as a human. Like,
So don't take that side of it for granted because like that is equally, if not more important than your social media for sure.
I would say it's pretty equal. I mean, social media is important. Like that's why we're in the industry, right? Of like marketing.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.